Silly Bakers. Let's make these gluten-free tahini brownies. First, we want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. You can also use a 9x9. We're going to grab a medium to large bowl. We are going to add 1 cup of tahini. All of my ingredients are at room temperature. We're going to add 1/3 cup of coconut sugar and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're adding 2 eggs. You can also use flax eggs for the recipe. 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. And a pinch of salt. Let's give the wet ingredients a good stir. We're going to add our dry ingredients. 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, good quality. 1 tablespoon of almond flour. You can also use oat flour. Any flour should do. 1 teaspoon of espresso powder. That really brings out the chocolate flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. This batter is a very thick batter, so just keep that in mind when you're stirring. And once it looks like this fudgy consistency, we're going to add our chocolate chips, 1/3 cup. Any chocolate chips that you like. I'm using semi-sweet. We're going to add our batter to our baking pan, and we're going to spread it out as evenly as possible from corner to corner. You could add additional chocolate chips on the top if you like. We're going to bake at 350 for about 23 to 28 minutes until a toothpick comes out with just a couple crumbs. I'm going to let it sit and cool for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add some good flaky sea salt. This recipe makes 16 servings. Enjoy these gluten-free tahini brownies. They taste like a cross between a chocolate cake and a brownie. They're soft, they're fudgy, they're fluffy. They're absolutely fantastic. Enjoy.